So what you will need for this project is you will need to have some fabric, of course.
Right.
You get to choose
Your choice.
On your pattern, there's a template. I will just draw that right on there and cut it out. Then with heat transfer vinyl, you'll adhere that to your fabric.
Right.
Then you're ready to put in the zipper. You're gonna take the two pieces and you're gonna sandwich the zipper in between those two pieces. And I'm gonna stitch 1/4 of an inch along the raw edges right up here, okay? I'm gonna do that on both sides and I'm gonna fold them out and then top stitch along here. So I'm gonna put my little tabs on at this point. So this is gonna become your gusset part of your bag. Voila! Just make sure you sew your right sides together. Then I will go and do the other side. Then you are ready to go catch some bugs and have a home for them.